up, guys and girls? Mac with Two Brothers, back again for another weekly installment of our videos. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We hope you're enjoying them and finding some good content in them. We're working on it, still getting a little better and all that good stuff. But take you around, show you a little bit of what we got going today. So this is a 2020 GMC Denali HD. We did a really nice, clean, simple setup. We went with the 7-inch rough country lift. Wheels and tires, did the Moto Metal MO 970 20 by 10s, so it gives it nice stance, nothing too crazy. It's good fitment. Obviously, the taller you take the truck, the more you want the wheels and tires to kind of come out, just to keep everything looking nice and proportional. GM, on the redesign of these trucks, they're a lot bigger than they used to be. Still got the square fender wells, which poses a little bit of an issue when you're getting wheels and tires on there, but as long as they're kind of spec'd properly, you can get a good sized tire. We went with the Falcon Wild Peak AT3W 37-inch tires. Again, looks proportional, very minor trimming, mostly just some plastic stuff where the valence and mud flaps get in the way. Just a good, nice, usable setup though, and looks sweet. So over here we got a Dodge 1500 we just wrapped up. We did some amp research power running boards on it. These are super nice. Open the door, as you can see they drop down. We got 2 lighting points. Makes easy access. This truck's factory hot, but if you got a lifted truck, definitely helps out. Amp research, they're kind of the originators of this product. 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty. Just a good solid step, something that you can do to help get in and out and make it a little easier on you. A couple stuff going here in the back. One thing that I'm not really gave enough light to is kind of our mechanic abilities and how much mechanic stuff that we do. Definitely want to recognize those guys. We've got some good guys on staff. This is a great customer's Jeep here. Had some oil leak issues. We're doing rear main seal, oil cooler, putting some rear shocks on it. What else you doing on this thing, Tanner? Did some ball joints and hubs. Rebuilt the front end. Just did rock slide engineering power steps on this one 2-3 weeks ago. That's kind of a competitor to the amp. It's geared a little more around like the Jeeps. As you can see, they're a little more rugged, a little more off-road, so they fit on the Jeeps a little better. We were correcting some ride height issues on it. These things are kind of notorious for sagging in the rear. We did some new cool springs, cool spacer, just some light maintenance stuff, alignment. Just recently did some adjustable upper control arms, adjustable control arms all the way around, uppers, lowers, front and rear, so we can really fine tune the alignment, make it drive good, ride good. Customer was tickled to death with that. He said, dude, it made a huge improvement. He said, I can actually drive this thing, not have to worry about it. Just herding it all over the road. Big improvement there. Andy here, he's got an F-250. Again, another good customer. We're all about kind of repeat business and taking care of our customers. We want you guys to come back. This is Jose's truck. We've done a good bit of stuff for him here recently. I did the 2614 fuel forged wheels, 37-inch amp tires. Just did a full powder coated 6-inch lift a couple weeks ago on it. It's body matched to the color. Today we're doing some rock lights. We do a ton of rock lights, white, color shift, all that good stuff. We're doing the Recon color shift badging. You got these far enough along to turn them on yet? You can. So there you go. As you can see, there's amber, red, white, and blue. Also doing a powder coated diff cover. It's powder coated to match the truck, match the lift. That should look good on there. Today has been dealer pack day. I think we've had Dawson. How many level kits you done today? Four. This is the fourth or fifth dealer truck we've done today. You can see it's still kind of tore apart. Just something to add a little bit of curb appeal to the dealership. Simple level kit wheel tire package. We usually knock these things out 3, 4, 5 hours, have them back pretty quick. Most of the time same day, sometimes a couple days, just depends. Again, us having everything in stock just really goes a long way. There's a couple more of them. The white one, I think it's completely done. Yeah, so that one's done. Just simple setup, draw some attention, and go buy a truck that already looks good, gonna perform good. Raceline wheels, Falcon tires, nice and simple. What else we got going? I wanted to point this one out. This is, dude, we're so blessed when it comes to our customers. Great customer. He has let us do so many vehicles, sent us so many people. Brought this truck yesterday. He just bought it. He said, fix it. This is kind of what I want. Call me when it's done. Doing a really cool setup on this one. We got the wheels at powder coat. We're doing some 24x12 KG1 Creator, powder coating them black with some milled accents. We're doing a 7-inch rough country lift. Again, the same one that was on the other GMC. This customer did opt for the Vertex adjustable shocks. Those are super nice. Nice upgrade that can always be added down the road. They're 10-way adjustable. I think he's doing Nitto tires, can't quite recall, but basically wait on some parts to roll in. Hopefully we'll be able to show you this one wrapped up, like maybe towards the end of next week, first part of the next. Really depends on everything getting here and getting parts rolling and stuff like that. Hey, what's up, guys? Liam's back again, kind of day 2. We decided to split stuff up a little bit this week. I wish that we could do stuff a little differently so you guys really had a full idea of what we do in a week. We turn a lot of vehicles, so asked him to come 2 days this week, kind of for some shipping reasons and just to give you a little bit more insight. But got this new Camaro, 21 Camaro SS 1LE, good customer of ours, done a bunch of vehicles for him. Again, love repeat business. Drew's finishing up this Borla exhaust. We did the Borla Attack series. Super nice unit. It's got black tips on it. Cool thing with this exhaust, it's designed specifically for the 1LE, ZL1s, any of the Camaros with the active exhaust, so it's going to retain the functionality of that. No check engine lights. Sounds better, but it keeps all that functionality, so you can have your stealth mode, your tour mode, track mode, sport mode, all that stuff. We're gonna set it down here real quick, start it up, let you guys hear it, and maybe do a couple drive-by clips, something like that. apparently it's Black GMC Denali week here. Another one we just did, knocked out this morning. Brand new truck, 22 model. We did a level kit. Did the new Hardcore HC18 Vigilante in 24 by 12 with 35-inch tires. This is a super aggressive fitment for a leveling kit. Customer knew that. He said, "Hey, I want 35s. Let's make it work." We're gonna do some pretty aggressive trimming to get these to clear. But all in all, the truck looks really proportional. Again, these big fender wells on the GMCs, it's kind of a, you know, it's tough. You put a small tire that doesn't rub, they almost don't look proportionate. This to me looks a lot better. Just got to do a little extra work. Nothing for us to do, and in the end result, it's gonna be worth it. So, sweet little truck. So guys, that pretty well wraps everything up for this week. The red F-250 that I mentioned yesterday didn't get quite as far along as we hoped. We had to knock off it, jump on some other stuff. That's kind of part of it. You know, sometimes certain jobs are dropped off, and shop life, dude, every day's different, every day's a challenge. So there's a lot of dynamics that goes into this stuff. Didn't get to show you guys that one, but that's okay. We appreciate you guys tuning in again. We hope that you're enjoying this series. Feel like we're getting a little better each week, getting a little more established. We're going to keep doing them. If you guys have any ideas that you'd like for us to do, or anything that you want us to, you know, throw out there, give us a shout, leave us a comment. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and, you know, most importantly, if we can help you, stop by the store or give us a shout, 423-790-7447. Thanks, guys.